Group policies and per-group overrides. The second line of defense after DM policies. Let me walk through how OpenClaw decides whether the agent should participate in a given group chat. 3 group policies at the channel level. Open. The agent listens in every group it has been added to. Mention gating still applies. Controlled by require mention. Allow list. The agent only listens in groups whose IDs are in group allow from. Other groups are ignored even if the bot is invited. Disabled. The agent ignores all groups. Useful when you only want a DM-only deployment. For most personal assistant deployments, allowlist is the sensible default. Honestly, you explicitly list the groups your bot belongs in. Anything else? Ignored. Done. Now, the group's sub-object. This is where per-group overrides live. Inside the channel block, you have a key called groups. It is a map keyed by group ID. Each value is a sub-object with overrides for that specific group. Common per-group keys require mention boolean. If true, the agent only responds when an @mention or configured mention pattern appears. Useful for noisy channels. Actions sub-object. Override the action allow list for this group specifically. So your account default might allow send and react, but a particular sensitive group might disable both, leaving the agent read only their system. Prompt override. The system prompt for this group. Use sparingly, though. The persona should be consistent, not chameleon-like, picking a different personality every room. That is weird. Users. An array of allowed sender identifiers. Scope to this group. The agent only responds to messages from those users in this group. A useful pattern, set require, mention true for every group by default with the wildcard key. The configuration looks like this, groups. With the key of star, opens an object require mention true. That sets require mention true for every group unless a specific group overrides it. Sensible default. Then, if you have one specific group where you want unprompted participation, like a one-on-one channel where the agent is the only other participant, you override require mention to false for that specific group. ID, stable IDs. Same warning as for DM allow lists. Always use stable group IDs, not names. Discord guild IDs are stable. Slack channel IDs, the CXXX format, are stable. Telegram group IDs, the -1 trillion format, are stable. Names get renamed, IDs do not. In the last lesson of this module, we cover action allow lists and streaming modes. See you there.